right, we're out here with Cory and his new bike. Quick video.
Dude.
Cory, what'd you pick up?
I picked up this Commencal Furious Rampage bike.
It's got a
ready to go.
Bomber 58. So this was actually a Rampage bike, or was supposed to be?
It was supposed to be, but COVID shut it down, so it didn't see it. So I'm gonna have to jump it.
So this was do you remember the guy's name?
DJ Brandt.
DJ Brandt's bike, supposed to be for 2020.
Check him out.
He shreds.
Sick stuff.
He shreds. So this is a Furious. It's got what kind of cranks are those? Deities? No, those are Hope cranks.
Hope cranks.
GX build. Check this out. Setup. Ratcheting set up for Rampage so that they could do sweet no footers. Ergon saddle. That fork, dude. So sick. All right, so now we just gotta get back to the park.
Never gotta convince the wife to let us go. Sorry, Ashley.
I'm jealous of Cory. All right. Sweet bike, dude.
Oh, thanks, dude.